In this video, I will show you how to make a game pass in Roblox. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and make a game pass, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to Roblox and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come up to the top, and what you want to do is click up here where it says create, and it's going to take you across to your creator hub. Now, from here, what you need to do is come down to your experiences. By default, you should already have one for yourself unless you've created multiple ones. And then what you want to do is click onto the experience that you want to create a game pass for. So when you hover over it, you would just simply click manage experience, and that's going to take you into this screen here. What you need to do next is come over to this menu on the left hand side, scroll down to the monetization section, and in this section you're going to see an option for passes. So what you want to do is give that a click, and this way you can come to create a game pass. As you can see, we got a blue button here to create a pass. So what you want to do is give that a click, and then what we can do is give our game pass a name. So what I'm going to do is call this one Tech Tutor's Pass or Game Pass. We can also change the picture. You do get a default image like this, but we can change that if we want to. And if you want to, you have got the option to add a description. Now, once that's done, come down to the bottom and click the blue Create Pass button, and it's going to go ahead and create your Game Pass. Now, if you actually want to sell your Game Pass on the marketplace, what you want to do once it's created is you're going to see your list of Game Passes here. Click on the Game Pass that you want to put onto the marketplace to sell. And once you've done that, come over to the left-hand side, and you're going to see an option for sales. So if you give this a click, it's going to open up a screen like this. Then what you need to do is turn the switch on to put this item for sale, and then enter the price you want to sell this for. For example, 10 Robux. Now, with Roblox, what generally happens is you will receive 70% of the price, whereas Roblox takes the other 30%. So in this example, if we were selling this pass for 10 Robux, then I would receive 7 Robux, and Roblox would take the other 3 Robux. Make sure to come down and click Save Changes, and as you can see, we're going to get a pop-up window, just making sure that you do agree to the terms of use, which you can read through by clicking the link here. So all you want to do is click Proceed, just like so, and what that's going to do is now put that up for sale. So if we come back now, and I'm just going to go back a screen, you can see that down here now, this is now for sale at 10 Robux. So that's how to make a game pass in Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.